So this primer doesn't work. Kind of moves the gas around, but nothing really happens. So let's check it out. Kind of a rubber check valve here. Rubber's kind of hardened a little bit. And then in here is the piston. So let's take this apart and see if there's anything else we can find. Underneath this gasket is the holes for fluid to come in. Hook up this tube, and as I blow through it, you can see all that particulate matter is coming up out of that hole. So we're going to need to flush that hole out. So there you can see all the debris that came out of the check valve on this. I'm sure that was contributing to the inoperation of the check valve and the primer itself. Blow through the other line just to make sure. Just jam the piece in the end, and you can actually feel wind blowing out of it now, so maybe that's gonna work better.
Yep, that worked. That was it. It's leaking a little bit out of the push rod, but it worked enough to start it, so that's all I need.